Here we have John the Prepper again, enjoying a break in his backyard between jobs.
We interrupt our regularly scheduled program for breaking news. The stock market has tumbled 75% today. All the banks will be closed at 5 o'clock p.m. and will not reopen until next week.
Time for a trip to the store. That sure is a big box. Let's see what he decided was most important for him to buy. Looks like it's ammunition. You sure do have a lot of ammunition. You are ready for SHTF. Been a long day. Time to make something for dinner. Uh-oh. Maybe you should have considered purchasing some more food before you bought all the ammo. Oh, a nice bowl of AK-47Os. Doesn't look very delicious to me. I don't think you should be eating that. That's not going to do your body any good. And your children will be very disappointed as well. That does not look tasty. Don't be a John. Buzz, buzz, the end.